Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video for you guys. I am like so excited to be filming this. Lately I've been doing a lot of shopping online for like fall, winter inspiration. And the best part about what I'm about to show you is that every single item is under $30. From shoes to shirts, all of that from places like Target, Forever 21, and Fashion Nova, places that are so affordable. I'm gonna show you how to look super classy and like you spent a lot of money but on a budget. Now, something to keep in mind is that I live in Florida and it doesn't get that cold. So our fall and winter, it's still like 80 degrees out. So a lot of these pieces are pieces that you can kind of layer if it does get colder, but then it's not gonna be like a true winter clothing haul. Sorry if you're disappointed. But anyways, I hope you stay tuned to get some outfit inspo. And before we get into the video, do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you do happen to enjoy, and let's get into this. I apologize in advance if my dog happens to be in every single shot that I film.
So this first outfit was actually inspired by a picture I saw on JLo's Instagram. I saw it and I had to recreate it. Everything from this outfit's from Forever 21, including the white slouchy boots. I actually got those 30% off because it's my birthday month, holla. The skirt was $12, the belt was, I believe, $14, and then the mesh see-through top was $7, and I just put like a nude little cami underneath of it. But I just love everything about this outfit because I feel like I can dress it up or down and kind of use them with a bunch of other outfits. And the belt, like, come on, look how cute it is. Definitely better than that Chanel belt that's probably like $1 million. And then this second outfit is so comfy. The booties are from Forever 21 for about $30. I got the leather leggings from Target for $14, and I have been wearing them a ton lately. I got this slouchy blazer from Forever 21 for just $12. And then that satin shirt actually came in a pajama set for $18, but I love using like silky camis. And then I love the cheetah belt to just tie into the shoes. That was about $4, and these glasses were $5. Like, love accessories. This next outfit was from Fashion Nova. Let me just have a singing session with my dog real quick.
The cattle roll me, the baby waits. The little Lord. Okay. Aw, look at this little baby. Say hi, little baby.
Back to it. So the dress was from Fashion Nova. It was 30% off and the boots were 30% off. So they came out to $30 for the boots and I believe like $17 for the dress. Never get anything from Fashion Nova full price. The blazer is from Forever 21 for $29. But I love it because I feel like I can use it with so many outfits. And this dress is a really thick material, so it actually felt like really good quality. And you could also cinch it in with that belt that I had from the first outfit, and I loved the way that looked. This next dress is from Fashion Nova, and I paired it with the same taupe over-the-knee boots from Fashion Nova. The dress was $29 full price, but again, I got it 30% off. Fashion Nova always has a coupon code, so never, ever, ever buy anything full price. Look for that discount code, and it'll come out way cheaper. This next outfit is so cute. I was kind of getting Ariana Grande vibes with like the oversized sweater. So this is from Forever 21 for $17. I love the sweater because it has like a really cute Bible verse on it. And to dress it up a little, I paired it with the same leather leggings that I got from Target. And then I just threw on these over-the-knee black boots that I got from Windsor a couple years ago. And they were about $32. You could totally dress this outfit down with just sneakers and some regular leggings, or dress it up and be super comfy but look like you tried. This next outfit, oh my god, this cardigan is so soft. I got it from Target for about $27. I've been wearing it non-stop because it is so cozy. It feels like it's like $100 cardigan. And then I paired it with this $5 t-shirt from Forever 21 and the same leather leggings. The earrings are also from Forever 21 for about $4. And I just love the gray with the yellow. I thought it looks so cute. This next cardigan is from Forever 21 for $17. So cheap, so cute. I love that it's more of like a rosy nude. And I paired it with this satin, the same satin shirt that I got in the pajama set. And I just think it looks so cute having like the cozy cardigan with just like a satin silk shirt. I think it looks so elegant. Then last, I got this top from Target and I paired it with the same oversized blazer. The top is so cute and I know I can wear this with so many different outfits. The material feels amazing and it was $12, but it felt like so high end. And I just love how it kind of comes up at the top. And there you have it. This is the completed video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed getting some outfit ideas on a budget. And I'll see you guys next time.